Hi, this is Anita with Homestead Evolution, and today I want to talk to you about the American breast chicken egg and how we package that egg. We're also going to go over detailed instructions with you on how you should take it out of your package once you get it. Hold on, we'll be right with you. Okay, what I have done is I have packaged some American breast chicken eggs. I'll show you how to take these out of the box. If you do not do it this way, you're going to take a chance of breaking your eggs. Okay, come on over here. You will get one of these color cards laying right on top. You'll have your NPIP paperwork, your packing slip, and this will be right on top. It goes over in detail how you need to take these out of the box, okay? So you'll have one of those bright colors. You want to take this top piece off of this box. Now each one of these eggs, because these holes are deeper, has a piece of foam at the bottom and a piece of foam at the top. Okay, every one of them. That one's down in. Okay, now if you notice, there are 3, 6, 8 holes on here. Each layer will have 8 eggs, so if you order 12 from us, you're going to get 16, okay? Now what you need to do is this piece of foam that I took right off the top, there's another piece right underneath it here. You're going to need to take your hand, slowly go down here and find that piece of foam. Make sure you get that piece of foam, okay? You're going to lift up and out. Now this level does have eggs in it. What that does is it keeps your eggs from falling out the bottom. Because see, they're already pushing through a little bit just from setting them up. Okay? Now you want to take these out. I'm sorry, but these will be staticky. I try to keep things in bags, but we're not going to be able to with these. Okay? You're just going to take these and either push them out or push them up. If you push them up, that bottom one is going to stay in. And then you're going to have your American breast chicken eggs, okay? Now, if you just pick this up, you have a chance. See, they just fell through, okay? So if you do not get this bottom section, your eggs might just fall out, okay? You do not want that to happen. I don't want that to happen to you either, okay? Now, with that being said, as long as you get this second layer, they're not going to fall out on you, okay? You'll do the same thing. Now, this one doesn't have eggs in it at the moment, but you'll do the same thing with this one. You'll take where this center one is down in here like a V. You're going to go down here in the bottom. You're going to get that last layer of foam down there and bring it up. Work your hand under it. Bring it right out. There you go. That's what you would do.